What's going on, nieces and nephews? It's your favorite Uncle Mudcat here, back with another video. And today we're going to be reviewing Black Rifle Energy Wild Frost. Yeah, buddy. Got a picture of a Sasquatch on there. There we go. Wild Frost. Oh, yeah, boy. Smells good. That's real good. 200 milligrams of caffeine. Really? Wild Frost, huh? Interesting. I like that sour bite to it. It's not overwhelming. It's got more of a taste than it does a smell, unfortunately. I'm thinking this is grape. Wild Frost has got to be like a grape. It's got to be. That's the only conclusion I can come up with. It's a grape flavored. But they say Wild Frost. It's not bad. I don't have a favorite yet. I still got one more to try. Excuse me. I think the last flavor they had that wasn't there at the Walmart was mango. Just for future reference, the last one I have in the refrigerator also came from Walmart. That's where I had found these. I didn't even know this was a thing. Like, I thought Black Rifle only focused on coffee. I didn't think they came out with an energy drink. I mean, they made energy coffee, just I didn't think they was going to actually make an energy drink and call it Black Rifle Energy. That's a good marketing on their part. Very good. I'm glad they did this. And I don't think I can't remember if I mentioned the price on these. Tax and all, I'm gonna say maybe $2.50, $2.70, closer to the $3 range, which is not bad in pricing. I know their coffees are almost $4 freaking bucks. I will say that. It's all depending on where you go. Crap, gotta turn it the other way. That's some good stuff right there. Let me know in the comments below if y'all have tried this. Man, look at that right there, that Sasquatch with that tactical gear on, night vision goggles. This son of a gun must have 4 eyes, because there's 4 like night vision goggles right there on him. It's a weird looking guy. But I like it. I have no complaints about this drink whatsoever. There's some good stuff right there. Till next time, nieces and nephews. This has been your favorite Uncle Mudcat here. Hopefully y'all have a fantastic weekend. And let me know in the comments what your favorite energy drink is. Till next time. It's been your favorite Uncle Mudcat, and I'll catch you later.